Diseases of the brain have incredible impact on people's lives, their personalities, their relationships with other people. So understanding how the brain generates our perceptions, our thoughts, our behaviors is critical to understanding ourselves.
I was looking for a school that, one, had the research I wanted to do, so I wanted to do something that was preclinical but also translational. But I also wanted a program where I could feel like I was fitting in, where I could find a family.
Dartmouth felt really friendly, very casual, and the students were actually genuinely interested in each other's research and each other's background.
The mentors that I have had have been the reason that I think I've enjoyed Dartmouth so much, because I don't think that I would have found such a great mentorship fit anywhere else.
So when I was looking to do my graduate studies, I really wanted a program that looks at the problem through multiple lenses, and the Integrative Neuroscience at Dartmouth was a fantastic fit for that.
This is our interdisciplinary program that aims to teach to the students neuroscience 360 degrees. This is very unique for our neuroscience program because we are able to cover basic neuroscience, clinical neuroscience, as well as translational neuroscience.
Neuroscience is this really broad field, and the great thing about this program is we acknowledge that, and we want people to get training in different techniques in different areas.
The whole first term is spent taking classes, and we do classes everywhere from cellular neuroscience up to systems neuroscience. And so we cover a huge span of neuroscience just to make sure that everyone sort of starts off on a similar playing field when it's time to go into rotations.
I think it's really cool that we don't do rotations until you've already been here for a term. It gives you a lot of time to settle in, and you get time to meet faculty and get through your courses. It kind of changes your opinion a little bit, and you might have more confidence about the rotations that you choose to do.
I know I'm very interested in decoding human brain, but I'm not sure how and what approach I'm more interested. And so the 3 rotations is definitely a very good environment to have when thinking of a novel thesis research topic.
Students here have all of the infrastructure of a bigger school, so they're able to do almost any experiment that they can imagine and yet feel like they're in this smaller, more accessible community, and, to be honest, be in the beauty of rural New Hampshire.
There's things to do here if you don't like being outdoors, but I think if you are an outdoorsy person, this place is the best. You can just fill your plate with anything and everything.
I think a nice thing about living in the Upper Valley is just by nature of being here, you have a nice work-life balance because there's so much to do that gets you out of the lab.
It really feels like people here want you to succeed, and they're willing to sacrifice so much time and effort and energy to get you there where you need to go.
We want them to feel empowered and feel like they're in charge of their own project and their own science and pushing it forward, because that's what a PhD is all about.
If you want a program where your voice is heard and will shape, other students' experiences and your own, this is definitely the place to be.